Okay, this model kit review is of the F-15C Eagle, and it is a 1/72 scale model kit by Hasegawa. Got some nice box art here, and there's a picture of the finished model, some dimensions. Looks like a very nice model. So let's have a look inside. And let's see what we have. So it does look like probably an older mold. So we'll have a look at our sprues here. Here are our wings, and these are all raised panel lines. Mostly fairly well molded. Little pieces here of mold lines are flashing. Not too bad. Here are our tails, and here's our elevator. Here's the top part of the fuselage. Looks like we're going to have our air brake that you can open. There's our cockpit as well. And again, all raised panel lines. Here's our air intake. These two pieces, and here's the other side. And our wheel well cover for the nose wheel. Here's our fuel tank. It looks like that's going to be our instrument panel. Got some missiles here molded as one piece, and there's a wheel, probably our nose wheel. And here's the lower part of the fuselage. We've got some detail inside our wheel wells. There's our part of our canopy, top part of the cockpit. We've got our wheel well covers molded closely together, but not together. And main gear and nose gear. Here we've got our nose, and looks like our cockpit. Here is our ejection seat. Also got our wheels there with some flashing, and our exhausts. Here we have our pylons and weapons. And we've also got an extra elevator, it looks like, or tail actually. There's our speed brake. Let's have a look at our, actually we've got our canopy here, also molded closely together, but actually fairly well molded, that piece. Now here we have our instructions, some details about the plane. Different weapon systems there. So pictures of the finished model in black and white. And here are the instructions. So we start off with the cockpit loaded inside of our fuselage. Put our air intakes and our nose on there. Don't forget to put some weight in the front there. Then we've got our wings and tail and elevators going on. Don't forget to put on your speed brake up or down, as well as your canopy. Then we've got our gear, as well as our wheel well covers, and then our fuel tank and weapons systems. Here are the colors needed. And let's look at the other side here. So here we have our parts listings. And looks like we're not using that one extra tail. Not sure why they gave us that one. Now we have looks like two options here for our painting and decal guide. So here's the one, and it looks like there are lots of decals. And here is the other. Let's have a look at our decals. These are very nicely printed, and as you can see here, there are lots of them. Incredible amount of detail, so that is great. That's really what you want to see. That's a pretty good quality model kit there.